And welcome to my channel. I am doing a glueless wig application. Shout out to Luvmehair for sending me this 18-inch water wave wig. It is transparent lace. This is actually my friend and lash lady. I'll put her information down in the description if you want to get your lashes done. She does bomb work. I cut the cap in the front. So now I'm just taking some makeup that's closer to her skin color and putting it on there. I'm just placing the wig on her head to see how it fits. It should be very, very snug and not too tight. And it looks really, really natural so far. I did go through and do a little bit more plucking. Now I'm taking a lot of body wrapping lotion and saturating the front of her wig. I can put this band on it. This is just gonna make sure that the hairline is set. This dry for about 10 to 15 minutes. So now I'm gonna take off the band and we are gonna cut the lace. It is looking bomb. Like, this is what's gonna make it fit and look good. I'm just putting a little bit more makeup so it blends a little bit better. I just want y'all to get a close-up real quick. It looks good. And I'm just gonna speed through the other side. I'm not doing nothing else special. It's just same thing on the other side. So now I'm gonna do the baby hairs. After I figure out which hairs I want to be my baby hairs, I'm going to put some more wrapping lotion, put the band on. So now I'm taking off that band. It's been about 15 minutes. I'll let that dry. Your hairline should be secure, okay? I'm gonna cut my baby hairs and style them with my baby hair brush. I usually do one in the middle, one on the side, and then one where the sideburn is. Yeah, just keep practicing, y'all. Now I'm gonna wrap the hairline yet again. I need it to be secure, y'all. So yes, I'm gonna keep on wrapping it until everything lays down. And reveal her new hairline, baby. Yes. What do you mean? This is a scalp wig wear. Use my hot comb to go over it just so the part stays in place. She says she doesn't really want to move it, so I'm just gonna set it. And I am putting a little bit of wrapping lotion just to secure, make sure I got all the flyaways, putting a little bit of makeup, last minute touches, baby. It actually forms the curls, like no flakiness, like it looks wet, but it's moisturized. And this is the finished look. Thank you guys for watching. This is my glueless wig application. Luvmehair, stop playing with me. Send me another one. I'm ready now. 24 inches preferably. You already know. But thank you guys for watching.